In the previous tutorial, /posts/go tutorial/file.io/, you learned how to read and write files in Go. Now let's focus on making your APIs production ready. Let's break it down. Custom validators. You can write your own validation rules. Output. Validation error responses return clear error messages to API clients. Test it. Pagination. Every list endpoint should support pagination. Here are two common patterns. Offset-based pagination, simple and familiar. Use page and limit query parameters. Cursor-based pagination, better for large datasets. Rate limiting. Protect your API from abuse with golang.org/x/time/rate. The rate.new limiter, 10, 20, creates a limiter that allows 10 requests per second with a burst of 20. Each client, identified by IP, gets their own limiter. Graceful shutdown. When your server stops, finish handling current requests before exiting. Press Ctrl+C to stop. The server waits up to 10 seconds for active requests to complete. This prevents dropped connections during deployments. Health check endpoints. Every production API needs health checks. Load balancers and orchestrators, like Kubernetes, use them to know if your service is running. Two endpoints serve different purposes. /health. Is the process alive? Liveness check. /ready. Can it handle requests? Structured logging with Slog. Go 1.21 added Slog to the standard library. It produces structured, machine-readable logs. Output. Each line is a JSON object. Structured logs are easy to search and filter in tools like Grafana, Datadog, or Yelk. Use slog instead of FMT, println, or log. Println in production code. Logging middleware. Combine logging with middleware to log every request.